Hello! In this last episode, we are going to try Copilot with real case scenarios. To show Copilot on our daily life and how it can be helpful, I'm gonna use this Laravel shop and I'm gonna add the collection of this product above the description. So let's see how Copilot can help you. So first of all, we need to go to the controller page, because at the moment I don't have this information, so I can come here and imagine that I don't know how to do it. So I'm gonna ask Copilot to help me. Get the first collection for this product. So he gave me this, so let's use it. Now I have to add it to the main. And he already gave it to me. Nice. See, this is where Copilot can be very helpful for you. So now to this to work, I need to go to the data and add it here on the product detail page data. So I'm gonna here and say public read-only. String SKU is not what we want, but we can reuse this and put collection. One of the things I want is I don't want to be optional. I will always have some value. So I'm going to hit to the controller and I'm going to say categorized. See, it already helps me on that too. So now I need to go to the view page and add something to show on the front end. So I'm going to be here and I'm going to add it here, collection, exactly what we need. Thank you, Copilot. And I'm going, because I don't understand view, so I'm gonna just copy paste this and do exactly the same. So collection, and I'm going to say that I want the property collection. Okay, so now let's see our final result. And is here. Nice. Thank you, Copilot. One of the advantages of Copilot is can generate you tests. Sometimes it's not 100% accurate and sometimes even creates tests doesn't make sense, but at least create you the base and you don't have to worry about the most common work that we have to do on our daily lives. So I'm gonna show you how to do tests. You can use, for example, the test, you can use the chat. I'm gonna use the chat, so I'm gonna say it. I will use the /tests and I'm saying create a test for collection on product detail page. Okay, so here, product controller test. It was successfully created, so it's here. Okay, now we are going to copy this code to there. We need to just copy block, and it's here. So now we need to execute the test to see if it works. Oh, sorry. It said test not found. I think because need to have a prefix test. Okay, yep, it's the prefix. So see, sometimes Copilot doesn't give you the correct test, so pay attention to this. So now it's failing because of some other configurations that are missing in my machine, but anyway, you can see that this is a very good tool to help you to generate these kind of tests. Another case is where Copilot can be very helpful is when you have to create, for example, a new controller. Of course, Laravel has a artisan command for that, but imagine that you are using another framework or using plain PHP, so you want to create a class that is very similar to others that you have in your project. So I'm gonna here and I'm going to create another controller in this case, so a test controller, add, and I want to have a very similar controller like the other, so I'm going to start, and when I try to extend the base controller, he already knows it, so he already completes. So see, it's very, very helpful in this kind of cases. One of the things that Copilot can be helpful on your daily lives is to generate some documentation that you need. So here I'm going to try to generate the documentation for this method, generate docs. As you can see, you can even now copy paste this whole file and put it on your file, and Copilot generate you a few comments and a few PHP documentation. We reached the end of our series. I hope you can use Copilot on your daily life. As you can see, it's a very powerful tool if you can use it wisely. And don't forget, don't trust it too much. See you in the next series. When you use it...
Tá ótimo.